Hi Year 6, I'm just going to demonstrate for you how to create a binary image just in Word. So in order to get to this task, you need to simply open up a new Word document and you're going to type in the heading, My Binary Image by, and you need to put your name in there for your teacher. Once you've done that, all you need to do is you're going to go to Insert, and you're going to click on Table. You will need to create a table that is 8 by 8. And you need to just make it look like it's a little bit more square. You need to create your image. So in order to create your image, all you need to do is click on this black color, or any other color, I guess, for while you are inside the cell of your table. So if I click onto this and click on black, it will turn it black. You can do multiple cells at the same time to save yourself a little bit of time. And I've created mine here. So if I was to convert this to binary, you can see that this is off, 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 on, off, 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 off. So it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then the next line is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And then the next one is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and you keep going. So that once you've done that, you need to save that and put it into your OneDrive or your Teams channel, whichever one your teacher has chosen to use, and that is how you complete this task.